Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. When the eye sees the all beautiful form of Shyam Sundara, whose beauty far excels that of crores of cupids, becomes Palaka. Wants to see such beauty without blinking of eyes. Then he chastises Brahma. That rascal Brahma doesn't know how to create nicely. Do you understand? Atruta hiya kare vidhira nindana vidagdha vidhivalo na jane sujan. Koti netra nahi dilo sobe dilo dui tahate nimesha Krishna ki dekhibi mui. Rascal Brahma doesn't know how to create nicely. He didn't give me cross of eyes, only gave 2 eyes. And their eyelids, he gave eyelids blinking. How can I see? The beauty of Krishna. Such beauty. Eyelids are blinking. How can I see? It creates obstruction and my vision. Realizing the beauty of Krishna. Such thing comes up. Do you understand? Such is the beauty of Purna Brahma Krishna. If someone is fortunate really, sees such beauty of Krishna, extraordinary beauty of Krishna, then life becomes successful. He'll never want to see any beauty in this material world. Is there any beauty in material world? Why look at ugly witch Maya? Get out, ugly witch Maya. Attracted by Maya's beauty. What? Is there any beauty in Maya? The ugly witch. Ugly witch Maya. Get out from here, ugly witch Maya. Who sees beauty of Shyam Sundar, whose eyes see such beauty of Shyam Sundar. Why look at ugly witch Maya? Spit at her, get out, kick her out. Is satisfied. It's not only satisfied. He wants to see it more and more and more. He sees more newer beauty. He sees. Such is the beauty of Krishna. It is said here, Krishna Madhur Jero Eko Sobhaviko Bolo Krishna Madhur Jero Eko Krishna Adi Naranari Karo Ye Biholo Krishna Adi Naranari Sravani Darsani Ako Soyi Sarvo Mana Sravani Darsani Ako Soyi Sarvo अपना स्वादित कृष्ण औरे न जतन अपना स्वादित कृष्ण You have found it? Yes, read translation.
The beauty of Krishna has one natural strength. It thrills the hearts of all men and women, beginning with Lord Krishna himself.
Beginning with Lord Krishna himself, yes.
All minds are attracted by hearing his sweet voice and flute,
Yes.
by seeing his beauty. Even Lord Krishna himself makes efforts to taste that sweetness.
To taste that sweetness. Such sweetness is there. So, Krishna Madhurya Avichintya Bala. Such Bala is strength. Strength. That Madhurya, Krishna's such beauty The sweetness emanates from his beauty. It has such strength. Is inconceivable. Strength is there. Yes. It attracts all the men and women. Thabor Jongam, moving, unmoving, in 3 planetary systems. Even Krishna is attracted towards, what to speak of others. Huh? Yes. Krishna develops greed to taste his own beauty. Huh? Yes, we have discussed that thing. Not only that, when such premi bhaktas speak about it, do kirtan about it, do you understand? Krishna becomes attracted to that spot. Yes. He becomes attracted to that spot, runs there, yes. Nautistami Vaikunthe Yogina Hudayana Madbhakta Tatra Gavanti Tatsatisthamina. He has said that in Narada Muni. Where shall we find me? I am not in Vaikuntha, I am not in the heart of that yogi, meditation yogi. I am there where my premi bhaktas speak about me. Do you understand? Not my kirtan. I run there. It's so attractive. Yes. So such devotees, they chastise Brahma. So, getting the eyes, if somebody, some human being, doesn't see such beautiful form of Shyam Sundar, what is the value of his life? His eyes. Why? It's better to become blind, like Bilomangal, who plucked out his eyes. Pluck out your eyes. No, I'll see Maya. Isn't it? I'll see Maya. Ugly is Maya. Therefore you have possessed eyes. Jagadish, Gokul, running behind Maya, Gokul. Pluck out eyes. What the use of eyes? Do you understand? So, the ear, if it doesn't hear such sweet singing, flute singing of Krishna, what is the value of ear? What will hear? Useless. So such sweet voice of Krishna, such sweet singing, flute singing of Krishna, if you cannot hear, then what is the use of an ear? It's like holes for snakes to live. Sarpa vivara. If someone hears, then his kyudha, what you say, his hunger for hearing sweet voice, immediately, forever, is satisfied. He'll never hear any sweet voice in this material world. He'll never see any sweet, beautiful form in the material world. Sees, Shyam Sundar, beautiful Shyam Sundar form. Bansi Gana Murta Dhama, Lavanya Murta Dhammasthana, Jena Dekhe Se Chanda Bodhana, Se Noyane Kiba Kajo, Podukatara Munde Vajo, Se Noyana Rahe Ki Karane. Do you understand? Look at the beautiful face of Krishna. Chanda Bodhana, his moon-like face, so beautiful face, which is the source of all beauties. One who cannot see such beautiful face, beautiful form of Shyam Sundar, what is the use of his eyes? Is better Lord Indra should drop his, what do you say? Throw his thunderbolt on his head. Padukatar munde baj. Se noyana rahe ki karana, what is the utility of that? Use of that eyes. You cannot see such beautiful form of Shyam Sundar, the beautiful face of Shyam Sundar. Krishnera madhuravani, amrutera tarangini, tar pravesa nahi je sravane, kana kori chidra sama janiho se sravana, tar janma hoila karana. The voice of Krishna is so sweet, so singing, a flute singing of Krishna is so sweet. It is like the flow of nectar, amrutera tarangini, the flow of a nectarian fountain flowing, producing the nectarian flow of a nectarian fountain, that is sweet singing of Krishna, such a sweet voice of Krishna, getting the ear, someone cannot hear such thing. What is the use of that ear? It's like a hole in the damaged conch shell. Yes, kana kodi chidra.